Hello world. Okay, so I'm having some issues here. My BMW station wagon won't start. It's been parked here for it's just a 3 Series wagon. It's been parked in storage here for a year. I haven't turned it on in a year. It's just been sitting here. And I went to start it, won't start. So I just put a new battery in it, and also I put some fuel injection cleaner and gas treatment in the car. This stuff, and I put some of this stuff in it also, the fuel injection cleaner, and also I put 93 octane shell, the V power in, so I hope it's gonna start. So let's try it out and see if it starts. Okay, let me actually I'll run the video and try to see if it starts actually. So let's try it out. Okay, I'm gonna have to try to squeeze over here. I'm gonna have to shoot, it's manual transmission, so I have to put one foot on the clutch and one foot. So let's put it in. Okay, that screen turned on. Let's see if it turns over. Ah, I don't know what to do. Let's try again. Uh-oh. I don't know. I'm nervous. Okay, let's try again. Sounds like it wants to start, but I don't know. What should I do? Should I keep trying, or let's go again? See, like, it sounds like it wants to. I think it's just the fuel is bad. I don't know. How much gas do I have in this car? Let's see if it shows us how much gas we have in here. Oh, I don't know. Let me try again. Okay, you know what? I have to do an update video because, like, this is not starting. Okay, goodbye world. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I hope this starts because it's been sitting here for a good while and I need to move it and wash it and take care of it. Okay, cool.